Collected. Collected will behave differently depending on if you are working in split mode with a project or dictionary mode. When working in split mode, double-clicking on an entry in any of the dictionaries, except definitions, will save it to collected. Clicking on collected will display what you've collected. This list of collected words is unique to the project you are currently working on. In the right-hand column, searched words will display the words you searched on broken up by categories. Selecting one of these will display what you have collected for that word next to your project. If you wish to delete anything from collected, you can delete the entire category by clicking on the garbage can. You can also delete individual entries from a category by running your mouse over the entry and clicking the garbage can icon. In dictionaries mode, collected represents everything you have collected over time while in dictionaries mode. Since it is not project specific, everything you collect over time will be saved in the dictionaries collected page. Here you can remove search word categories by clicking on the garbage can icon, or individual words within a word group by clicking on the trash can icon. Clicking on clear will delete everything you've collected. Clicking on the copy button allows you to copy what you have collected to a new or existing project. Remember, the ability to collect multiple entries makes searches efficient and gives the creative writer a number of possibilities to choose from.